Okay guys, I want to show you why we're the best at mywheeldoctor.com. This is a 28-inch big boy wheels. Just call it big boy because look at it. It's huge. This is a $10,000 set of wheels. It was bent. We fixed the bends in this wheel. We got the other one for the front. Now, this wheel is huge, and not only is it huge, it's got what you call rubber bands on it. This is a 295/25/28. That is the tire size. We specialize in specialty wheels. Now, look at this wheel with the tire off. It's huge, all right? We removed the bend in this wheel. People bring their specialty wheels to us because we are the best when it comes to wheel repair. So, custom wheels, specialty wheels, bring them to Houston Wheel Repair, bring them to My Wheel Doctor. This is another reason why we are the best. 713-942-0294. Also, I want to show you another set of big boy wheels. 4Giottis, right? We have to fix these wheels, and these are 26s. So when you got specialty wheels, big boy wheels, bring them to My Wheel Doctor. Look us up at mywheeldoctor.com. Please like this video, share it, and follow us. We'll keep you posted on all of our specialty jobs and specialty wheel repair at My Wheel Doctor.